Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Groupiify, which launched on the 18th of June at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release from Palab Ghosal and Ram Rawat. And what it essentially is, it's a way, it teaches you a new method of being able to monetize Facebook groups, but it does so in such a way that it works as a double whammy. So it's going to teach you a message whereby you get money at the front end by creating a squeeze page that will get you a $17 a month recurring income from anyone that signs up using the squeeze page, and then you will then go on to monetize using the Facebook group itself to bring in lots of income to your to your affiliate links, your internet marketing links, whatever it is that you're looking to promote, your e-commerce links. Now, as Palab says, he used to use Facebook groups just for fun. Now he uses them just for profit. This is a brand new method, folks. It's a good training course. It is a low front end price. I think you are really going to love this. And if you're interested, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Groupiify from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Now, I wouldn't want that to happen, folks, because like the title says, they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Groupiify, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and indeed way more useful than what anyone else is offering. So what is Groupiify? Well, as I said, it is a method that Palab and Ram use. They used to use Facebook groups just for fun. Now they use them just for profit. The front end price is $11.95, folks. I don't know if you saw what just happened there, but what you will find is that if you stay on this page for a period of time, then you will get offered a downsell price of $9.95. So you can actually pick this up on the front end at the moment for under a tenner if you're in during the first, I think, 6 hours of launch it is. So as I said, we launched on the 18th of June at 10 AM Eastern. So if it's before 4 PM Eastern, that is 9 PM UK time, you will be able to get this further $2 discount down to $9.95. Okay, the sales page, as you'd expect, has got lots of testimonial stuff on it, so do have a look through that. I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page, but obviously you can read through that for yourself, folks. I just want to clarify what you get. Complete step-by-step video training. As I said, I'm going to take you into the members area in just a moment. There is the members area for Groupiify. 13 modules of training. Sorry, it's disappeared. Just bear with me one, folks. 13 modules of training, brand new case study, copy the exact templates, ads and shortcuts, 100% newbie friendly and easy to follow, 100% ethical, repeatable and scalable, highly profitable and risk-free, works in any niche. You can read student results and testimonials, and no fluff or fillers. All right. So we will come back to the sales page and go through the modules in just a moment, and we'll go into the actual members area. But I just want to show you these bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath here, you'll come through to this page, and first of all, you'll see this video here. What's Groupiify all about? Well, it's a way to create a buyer's list. That's crucial. You know how important a buyer's list is, folks. A buyer's list without having to have a launch. Normally, the only way that you can create a buyer's list is to launch a product, and then by definition, obviously, anyone that signs up by buying that product is a buyer because they've just bought something. But this teaches a method where you can build a buyer's list without having to have a launch. It will create a recurring income stream. It gives you a solo ads traffic strategy. Traffic case studies are included. Just 30 minutes a day are needed for this method, and it will teach you exactly how to leverage the Facebook groups that you are going to create. This is a sales video, it's 5 minutes long.
Have a prosperous future.
You should watch that, folks. Yeah, so that will be on the sales page, or you can watch it here. As I said, if you stay on the sales page, you'll see that it will default down to that downsell offer. So these are the custom bonuses that I've put together. So firstly, I'm going to give you an 1.5-hour social media masterclass. If you are failing at social media marketing at the moment, or you don't understand social media marketing, or you want to get started, you're brand new, then this 1.5-hour masterclass will teach you all the basics that you need to know about marketing using all types of social media. That's my first bonus. It's a brand new bonus. Today is the first time that I've offered this bonus, folks. The second bonus, it builds on the stuff sought in the course. Now, there are some case studies included in Groupiify, but here's another one from super affiliate Brendan Mace. This is going to show how he made $2,000 in only 20 minutes with free traffic from Facebook groups. So if you wanted another example of how Groupiify can work, then we've got another case study for you here. What I'm also including is a couple of really basic trainings. So this Groupiify method would be really great for brand new internet and affiliate marketers who are looking to get started for the very first time online. Yeah. So what I'm going to give you is a complete introduction to affiliate marketing. This is a training course of about 10 videos from super affiliate John O. Armstrong, who's one of my mentors. And then one of my own trainings. This is the most basic training you can get. This is about how to actually find and get approved to sell affiliate offers. Yeah. So if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing and you want to know how to get started, then this 20-minute opening tutorial is the most basic that it can get, taught by me. And finally, I'm including this because I've just been offering this bonus for a couple of weeks. It's going down very well. 4 free website traffic super hacks, just 4 different ways, all 2019 methods that can get you loads of free traffic to any offer, website or affiliate link of your choice. So I hope you can see, folks, that there's lots of added value that I've put in there with my custom bonuses. And to clarify, just click on any of these green buttons at any time if you want to pick this up and get those bonuses. So let's head back to the sales page. And we were on the modules. So if we're going to go through the modules, the best way to do that is inside the course. So here we are inside the Groupiify members area. So the first thing that you should do when you sign up is to join both Palab and Ram's Facebook pages, groups, to get regular updates on what's going on. And then the first thing you should do is watch this overview video here, which is about 8 minutes long.
Hey, Pallav with you, and on behalf of my business partner Ram.
So that is Palab that's going to take you through all the training. And so this is like an overview of the overview, I would call this. Yeah. So this will teach you everything that you're going to cover. But in module number 2, we actually start sorting the method. So this explains the type of squeeze page that we're going to create here. Yeah. The opening offer, which is going to be this monthly recurring offer that is going to get you regular payments of $17 a month. It'll initially get you a $1 or $2 payment because you're going to be setting it up as a trial. So people will pay $1 or $2 to try it out, and then they'll pay you $17 a month after that. And then it goes on to explain the rest of this funnel that we're going to set up. Yeah. Everything is explained here. So if there's anything that you can't do yourself, then it's going to tell you exactly how to outsource it. Yeah. So for example, this part of the method involves setting up a video sales letter. If you're not able to do that yourself, or you don't want to do it yourself, then I'm going to show you exactly how to get that through Fiverr, the outsourcing platform. Yeah. So if there's any single task here that you cannot do yourself, there's going to be a method explained in here that shows you how to get it done by someone else. So you don't have to worry if you're a complete newbie and you can't cope with technical tasks or making videos or anything like that. You don't have to do any of it. Yeah. The third module shows you how to go about actually setting up the Facebook group, and again how to get your graphics for that using a free open source software platform called Canva. Module 4 goes into delivering the good stuff. Module 5 shows you how to go about collecting these upfront payments on how to build your buyer list. Module 6 is on fueling the engine. Module 7 is on building rapport with your subscribers, these new subscribers that you're getting in your list, and also communicating within the Facebook group itself. And then most importantly of all, okay, we've already got our upfront monthly income, but now we're going to start getting the serious money, which is from our daily affiliate sales, which we will be getting from within the Facebook group. Yeah. So as you can see, absolutely everything is explained in detail. Even like this is basically a repeat of one of my bonuses on the front end. This shows you how to get new products from Munchai. That is exactly what my own training does in one of the bonuses. So you can see absolutely everything for you as a complete newbie is covered here, folks, and you can pick this up for, as I said, under $10. And then we've got 2 case studies actually showing you the method in operation. Number 1 there and number 2 there. All right. And then you've got bonuses, which I haven't come onto yet. And then your upgrades will be here. By the way, if you miss any of the upgrades and you want to take them at a later date, you can just click these buttons here and you can pick up all of your upgrades from inside the members area. It will take you back through to the one-time offer page and you can pick them up. Yeah. So that is that. And now we're going on to the upsells. In fact, let me just finish off on that sales page first of all. So just to clarify, so module 1 keeps defaulting to the top, folks. Sorry about this. So module 1, you've got the blueprint. Module 2, setting up the engine. Module 3, setting up the Facebook group. Module 4, delivering the good stuff. Module 5, collecting payments. Module 6, fueling the engine. Module 7, building rapport. Module 8, communicating. And Module 9, making daily sales. And then your case studies. There's some more testimonials, video testimonial as well. These are your bonuses from the vendor. So your first bonus is a quick start checklist, and your second bonus is access to the VIP Facebook community and coaching, and for the launch week a special traffic case study. So all of that is included, and as you can see in here, to access your bonuses you just click on these buttons here, and that's where you get access to the bonuses. Let's just have a quick look then at the upsell. So the first upsell for $27 is 5 done for you campaigns. So you will get from Palab and Ram 5 done for you packs, which include 5 affiliate campaigns, landing pages, video sales letters, review videos, offer details, and email swipes, all completely done for you. And these are successful campaigns which are bringing in thousands for Palab and Ram. That is a really good deal, folks. Upsell number 2, which is $37, is your advanced traffic training. This advanced training will include how to scale up to $300 a day. Inside, Palab and Ram will teach you everything you need to scale your business 3 times and easily achieve goals like $300 a day by improving your conversions. Number 4 is the Inner Circle membership. Now, what this is the access to the inner Facebook group coaching. So this is you've already got access to the VIP group, but now this is an Inner Circle Facebook coaching with Q&A sessions and many other coaching courses and training. This is direct access to building up a 6-figure business using this 6-figure coaching program. You'll get direct access to Palab and Ram and email them personally to ask any questions you may have at any time. So it's effectively one-on-one coaching by email, yeah? So that one is, I think I said 197, didn't I? Sorry, 97. That's good for a high ticket price, folks. So just to clarify then, folks, if you want to pick up all of these additional bonuses, including this brand new bonus here, this social media masterclass, which I have just offering for the first time today, then you just need to click on any of these green buttons. That will bring you over to the cart page here. Just click on add to cart, $9.95. That will bring you back into your receipt area, at Warrior Plus, click on the green button to access your copy of Groupiify, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that's really it, folks. I'm going to give this one 4.5 out of 5 because this is a cracking method, folks. Really like this. And a front end price of under a tenner is very generous from the lads. We like that a lot. And what more can you say? You know, go out and pick this up. It's a really great buy. All that remains for me to do is to thank you as ever for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Groupiify.